Okay, so here's the city main here. See, it's 124 feet 10 inches out from the house, from this front clean out. And I'll pull back and show you guys what's going on with it. It's PVC, obviously, right at the city. And then it goes back into cast iron. And it looks like it's 6-inch cast. Either that or maybe 5-inch. Doesn't look like 4-inch compared to that last section of pipe that's PVC. It's kind of a rocky road through here. It took me a little getting little doing to get around this last corner. So you can see it's a little bumpy through there. I'm probably going to go around this corner. That was a tough corner to get around. I had to go through it without a skid on because I couldn't get through this section to cast through here. You can see, I don't know if it's going to self-level or not. Didn't really self-level the way down. But yeah, it seems a little flat through here, and you can see the bubbling in the cast over there on the right, upper right side of the screen. It is showing its age. You can see kind of a lot of that build up there on the sides of the pipes. So it is cast iron and it is old. Through here. Still, I'd think that it's a 6-inch line through here. Again, I don't have the skid on, so it's a little hard to tell. But it appears to be 6-inch cast. And again, this section through here took a lot of effort to push through it. See the water still kind of trickling down through this section. I do have the water off here in the house, so I don't have anything draining currently. It's all just kind of making its way down. And you can see how bumpy it looks through there. Big rapids in a stream. It's just some buildup. So it's 124 feet 10 inches all the way to the main. So that means this section of cast is approximately about 40 something feet of cast, and then it joins up to nice PVC through here. Now it's a little hard to tell if this is 4-inch or 6-inch through here. That almost looks like 6-inch, but I can't see the transition all that great through here. It's just kind of hard to tell. I'm guessing it's 4-inch PVC though. And so the last 78 feet, 77 feet is this PVC. Now I didn't see any recognizable clean out, unless, no. So I believe that there's only this one access in here. And maybe an access on the stack. There is a front clean out. Let's see if I can't find a clean out in the yard. So yeah, surprised how long this sewer was. The street to where it's addressed to is probably only 50 feet from this front clean out. As the crow flies, straight out. It's 124 feet, so it goes a ways before it joins up with the city main. It might join up with the main over on the road perpendicular to this house. Kitty corner, whatever you want to call it. Okay, and this is the clean out access here in this front room. Okay, thank you.